In this video, I'll show you how to change the lock screen clock style on your Redmi 15C. All you have to do is go to settings. Within the settings, scroll down and select personalization, tap on it, and then simply tap on lock style. And then it should take you to the lock screen editor. So tap on customize on your wallpaper, and then since you want to change the clock style, tap on the clock once and then tap on it again, and you should see these options appear. Now there are only two options for the clock style, so choose the style that you'd like to use. So let's say for instance that one, and then once you're done, simply slide down and then tap on apply, and then you'll be prompted if you want to apply this wallpaper as the lock screen or if you want to apply both the lock screen and the home screen. Choose the option that you prefer. So for me, I'll just leave it at lock screen, and there you go. You'll see the changes have been applied. So whenever you lock your screen, you can now see your new clock style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.